So guys, I have found another paying website, and this website is really paying. You understand? It's another investment platform whereby you put your money and your money will be working for you. You understand? So I've just run this platform, and it is really paying. The last one that I posted, it lasted up to 1 month. If you go to my page, you will see it. So imagine you joining this website, it will last up to 1 month. You will earn more than you even put. You understand? So if it is the first time of coming across my channel, please click the subscribe button and subscribe my channel, and also like, comment and share when you come across of my any video. What are we doing on this channel? We talk everything about how to make money online, how I make my own money, both paid and free. This is what type of thing you like. Please do well to subscribe to this channel, and also put on your notification bell so that whenever I drop a video, you'll be first to get notified. Understand? Okay, so let's go back to the website. To get through to this platform, all you have to do is to click the link on my description box area. It will bring you here. Then you put your password, your phone number, sorry, your password, confirm your password, withdrawal password. Please remember this password because that's what you use and withdraw. Then you click register. once it, Once you click the register, it will bring you here. Then you join the Telegram group. Please see your Telegram group, click it and join. You understand? Once you have joined it, then you click close. Then this platform, you basically your money working for you. Let's say that we invested to 10,000 naira. Okay, if you invest 10,000 naira, they will be giving you 2,000 naira daily. They will be giving you 2,000 naira daily, and if you invest at 5,000 naira, they will be giving you 8,000 naira daily. You understand? So others, these ones are on pre-sale. Once they open it, you can still join, but only this 10,000 naira own, that 5,000 naira own is available. You understand? You guys remember the rule of our investment platform: invest early and cash out early. Not when it is late, you come and be saying, I invested today and it. You know me, I always bring update early enough that day that it was launched. This site is not up to 24 hours. So join it. You understand? Join it. If you can invite. So let me show you how you can recharge on this platform if you want to invest. Click on this recharge button here. Then you put the amount that you want to recharge. Let's say once you register, they will give you 1,000 naira, this thing, 1,000 naira welcome bonus. You understand? Then you might decide to add 9,000 naira, or better still, add the 10,000 naira and withdraw everything together if you want to withdraw. You get? So let's say I want to recharge that 5,000 naira. I will click recharge. Then you read what they wrote here. Just read it. After reading it, you click OK. Then you only have 9 minutes to complete this payment. If not, don't go again. Just go back, refresh it, and it will bring another account. Click it, go to your bank, copy the account, go to your bank and go and make payment. Once you are done making payment, you click I have made this transfer. You understand? I have made this transfer. It will be before you even return, you will see it on your account. Once they have dropped the money on your account, then you come here and click buy if it is 10,000 naira own that you did, or you come to this 35,000 naira own and click buy. You understand? So another way to earn on this platform is by inviting. You get? Click here, invite as many people as you want. You understand? That's another way to do this thing, to earn. If you want to withdraw, just click on this withdraw button, add your details and your withdrawal password, then you can withdraw. Then if you are having issues, please click on this customer care and go to the customer care. They will resolve it immediately without wasting time. Okay, so that's just it. See the withdrawal that I made yesterday. As you can see, I made it yesterday just to confirm. Me and my team have tested on this platform to make sure that it's really paying before bringing it here. You understand? So do well to join the platform. And also, no, this is what I do to earn my own money. This is a disclaimer. You can do your own research. If you can do your own research before joining, but this is what I do to make my own money. I see you guys in the next video.